Mark Donovan from HomeEditionPlus.com. For the past couple of weeks we've been in the process of having our fireplace redone by attaching natural veneer stone. This is a Delgado strip Connecticut blend natural stone, and we've had a mason out here who's been installing it around a new gas fireplace. And what I'm going to do today is patch a large hole on the side of the stone fireplace area in preparation for putting the mantle on. So I'm going to show you basically how to make a large drywall hole repair. So now I've got a piece of this mesh drywall tape, and I'm going to kind of just fold it in halves and then make it in kind of a triangle section. I'm going to just simply slide it into this hole area. And this doesn't have to be a perfect science, but just some material to help bind the joint compound we're going to put in. So there's one piece. I'm going to put another piece, maybe even 3 pieces in total. So I've got some significant material in here to act again as that binding agent with the joint compound. And then we're just going to try to dress it up a little bit, and we'll let this set up probably for 24 hours before we come back and put another coat on. Really want this drywall, the joint compound, to have a chance to dry. So before I let this set up, I've got my 3-inch taping knife now, and again just going to kind of fan it out a little bit, make it a little bit smoother. It's going to cover a little bit bigger area, but that's not a big problem. We're going to wind up sanding this when it's done. And at this point we'll just let that set for 24 hours and we'll come back and then put a finish coat on. Alright, so I've let this dry for 24 hours. Now I'm using my 3-inch taping knife and just filling it in a little bit more. I'm trying to smooth it out so I get a nice straight line. And that's all we're going to do. We're going to let this set up now for another probably 24 hours, and we'll come back and put one final coat on before sanding. Alright, so now this has had a day to dry, and I've got a sponge sanding block. That's all I'm going to use here for this small project. And just slightly sand around the edges to smooth them out, and then slightly over the main surface area to complete the project. So I'm kind of going in a circular motion, again around the edges, to blend the edges in with the rest of the drywall. And then I'll lightly sand over the main surface area to make the whole surface flat. And so now with this drywall patched, we're going to go ahead and mount the mantle, and this project will be done. Here's the finished product. You can see the trim has been installed. After I touched up painting the walls, we've installed the mantle, and this gas stove fireplace with the veneer granite stone is complete. And as you can see, we've got a really nice, warm, cozy looking fireplace now. Again, if you have other home improvement questions, make sure to visit HomeEditionPlus.com.